The 2025 BMW X5 is here, and it brings a fresh wave of updates, blending performance, technology, and design enhancements. BMW has fine-tuned its popular mid-size luxury SUV to ensure it stays ahead of the competition, making it more appealing than ever. The latest X5 showcases a refined look with subtle yet effective exterior changes, a boost in powertrain efficiency, and an upgraded tech suite that pushes the driving experience to a whole new level. At first glance, the exterior changes may seem minimal, but they are impactful. The signature kidney grille has been slightly revised, now featuring optional illuminated elements that add a futuristic touch. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more aggressive, providing a sharper and more modern look. The front bumper has been redesigned for better aerodynamics, while the rear gets updated taillights with a distinctive light signature. With new wheel designs and additional color options, including stunning shades like Blue Ridge Mountain Metallic and Skyscraper Gray, the 2025 X5 ensures that style remains one of its strongest assets. Under the hood, BMW has made notable improvements to its powertrains. The base model, the X5 xDrive 40i, gets a more powerful and efficient 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering an impressive 375 horsepower, an increase of 40 horsepower over the previous model. The X5 M60i, featuring a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with mild hybrid assistance, produces 523 horsepower, providing exhilarating acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Meanwhile, the plug-in hybrid variant, the X5 xDrive 50e, sees a significant boost, now offering a combined 483 horsepower and an increased electric-only range of up to 40 miles, thanks to an improved battery pack. With BMW's latest 8-speed automatic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive, performance remains seamless and engaging. Inside the cabin, luxury meets cutting-edge technology. The most noticeable update is BMW's curved display, which integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, running the latest iDrive 8.5 system. This setup eliminates most physical buttons, instead relying on touch and voice controls for a cleaner, more modern aesthetic. The new X5 also features a redesigned center console with a crystal-finished gear selector and additional ambient lighting elements that enhance the premium feel of the interior. Standard upholstery now includes high-quality Sensafin synthetic leather, while genuine leather options remain available for those seeking an extra touch of luxury. Connectivity and driver assistance features see a major upgrade. The latest BMW operating system allows over-the-air updates, ensuring the X5 stays current with software improvements. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Harman Kardon audio system. The latest driver assistance suite includes advanced lane keeping, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, and an upgraded parking assistant with a 360-degree camera for easier maneuverability. For those who want the ultimate tech package, BMW's Highway Assistant enables hands-free driving in certain conditions, making long road trips more comfortable and less stressful. BMW continues to prioritize driving dynamics, and the 2025 X5 remains one of the most engaging SUVs in its class. The standard adaptive suspension ensures a balanced ride between comfort and sportiness, while the optional dynamic handling package adds active roll stabilization and rear-wheel steering for enhanced cornering ability. Whether navigating city streets or winding mountain roads, the X5 maintains its reputation for delivering a refined yet thrilling driving experience. The X5M competition variant, for those seeking the ultimate performance, pushes power output beyond 600 horsepower, with aggressive styling and track-ready dynamics that make it a true powerhouse on wheels. Efficiency and sustainability remain key focuses for BMW. The introduction of mild hybrid technology across multiple powertrains helps improve fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. The plug-in hybrid model provides an excellent balance between performance and eco-conscious driving, making it a strong choice for those looking to minimize their carbon footprint without sacrificing power. Additionally, BMW continues to use sustainable materials in the X5's interior, aligning with its long-term vision for environmentally responsible luxury vehicles. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X5 sees a modest increase, with the base model starting around $66,000. The plug-in hybrid variant starts at approximately $74,000, while the high-performance X5 M60i crosses the $90,000 mark. The range-topping X5 M competition, packed with the most aggressive performance enhancements, starts at over $120,000. With these prices, the X5 remains competitive within the luxury SUV segment, offering a mix of cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and premium comfort that justifies its cost. The 2025 BMW X5 continues to refine what was already a winning formula, making it one of the best choices in the luxury SUV market. With its blend of performance, technology, and design, it remains a benchmark for others to follow. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, an efficient plug-in hybrid, or a high-performance machine, there's an X5 variant tailored to your needs. BMW has once again raised the bar, ensuring that the X5 remains an icon in its class.